Hi! Welcome back to my Artificial Intelligence tutorial channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily generate content titles, scripts, descriptions, keywords, thumbnails, and voiceovers with just one command using a free AI tool. This AI tool is still new and currently free to use. So let's get started. First, go to the vidIQ main page. You can use the link in the video description. Next, go to the Features menu and select the AI Content Generator. All you need to do is type in your idea for the content and click the Go button. In this video, I asked the vidIQ AI to generate content about how to use ChatGPT. The AI Content Generator will create a title for your video, a description, a video script, a voiceover, keywords or hashtags, and a thumbnail or background. You can easily copy the text and download the image and audio for free. Then you can execute your content to video using an AI video generator such as AI Studio, HeyGen, InVideo, or Canva. You can also use a free video from Pexels and edit it using CapCut Free Edition. If you don't know how to generate video using AI tools, you can watch my tutorial video. I've included all links in the video description.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced natural language processing tool that can help you with a lot of tasks. The first thing you need to know about ChatGPT is that it is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you with a wide range of things. It can assist you in finding information, answering questions, and even having a conversation with you.
Now, what if you have no ideas for content? You can use vidIQ AI Coach feature to help you find ideas for your content. You have to register with vidIQ to use this feature, but it's also free to use. After you log into your vidIQ account, go to the AI Coach page and type in your command. The AI Coach will give you some ideas about content for the given keyword. You can then copy the generated title and idea and go back to the AI Content Generator to start generating new content. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support me. Have a nice day and bye-bye. If you're looking for the latest and most cutting-edge AI tools in the market, then you need to check out AIToolsArena.com. Our AI tools list is carefully curated to meet the needs of diverse industries. Visit AIToolsArena.com today and discover how our AI tools can help you achieve your goals.